Hello folks, I wanted to talk to you about what a compromised floor joist would look like, and what people ask me, well Troy, what if they're not like split? Can I still call it compromised? Because here, let me show you here what split looks like. This is one that's split, and Dave actually sistered a joist on the other side of it, you can see. But you can see how split that is. But I wanted to share with you this right over here. When you get this many holes this close in line, forget about the open electrical line that could shock you and kill you. But look how we got all these lines running in here for the old electrical. And what we've done is we put them in the same line. And because like this right here, they're pretty much in the same, what we call it the vein of the wood or the grain of the wood. And what that does is that's just allowing it for it to crack right down there with any kind of stress. If you would have alternated them and not had so many holes over the years, you could be all right to run your wiring through there. But when we get that many holes in there, yes, you are compromising it. This is what you're looking for, folks, when you're doing an inspection and looking for the structural integrity of the home. And you can see, oh, now, this is, look what here, oh, I gotta share with this here to you. We're gonna do this on another video, but thank you for watching Galloway Building Services. I appreciate you taking your time and watching our videos. Thank you.